It's great for consumers, Sarah, but I'll tell you, the positioning of the United States in all this is starting to change. And I was actually speaking with Steve Leisman, your economics guru, about this the other day. Because the industry itself, the exploration and production industry, has gotten so large. I mean, the United States is now the world's #1 oil producer, arguably, depending on the month and the data point. And our exports are growing really exponentially. They've gone from 0 to 2.5 million. They could be as high as 3.5 to 4 million barrels a day as early as next year. So it depends. You know, the consumers do get a break, but now we have a significant industry that's potentially harmed by super low oil prices.
John, what's the big swing factor on the supply side at the moment that is keeping these prices so weak? I mean, U.S. inventories are strong. There's the OPEC question. Well, which is the biggest?
Well, you can't ignore, the U.S. positioning, Wolf. I mean, we're up to almost 12 million barrels a day. It's been a steady climb, a remarkable climb. So we're a stone's throw from that 12 million mark. But look, as Jackie alluded to, Saudi Arabia and Russia got tricked by President Trump. I think that's the blunt way of putting it. By giving all of these waivers to buyers of Iranian oil, you had a flood of Russian oil and a flood of Saudi oil come to the market to fill the Iranian gap that never materialized. The Iranian oil is staying on the market. So we are well oversupplied on a daily basis. And now you sort of add in this irritant of marginal economic slowing in Europe, in China, and we are in a glut. And when this commodity gets oversupplied like this, prices get punished. But here's the thing. You know, the sentiment has gotten really, really bearish, and the pendulum has swung from being really massively bearish just a couple of months ago to very, very bearish right now. I would warn playing for much more to the downside for now until we can see what the OPEC reaction is going to be. They are circling the wagons. There's talk of potential clandestine sort of cutbacks to avoid the wrath of President Trump going forward here. This has gotten their attention. They're going to react.